Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use templates for Capcut. First, open the Capcut application on your mobile device. You will find the Templates tab conveniently located at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it to explore a vast library of pre-designed video structures. You can browse through various categories like vlog, travel, or fashion, or simply use the search bar to find a specific style that perfectly matches your creative vision. It's a straightforward process to begin your video journey. Once you've found a template that sparks your interest, tap on it to see a quick preview of its effects and accompanying music. If it fits your needs, simply select Use Template. This action will prompt you to import your own media. You can easily replace the default clips with your personal photos or videos directly from your device's gallery. This step allows for immediate personalization, making the template uniquely yours in just a few taps. After inserting your media, you have the flexibility to fine-tune your video. You can easily adjust the timing and order of your clips to ensure a perfect flow. Capcut offers a range of intuitive editing tools, allowing you to add custom text, engaging stickers, or even extra effects to enhance your creation. Take a moment to review your video, ensuring it aligns seamlessly with the template's original rhythm and your personal style. This step truly brings your vision to life. When your masterpiece is complete, it's time to share it with the world. Locate and tap the Export button, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. You'll then be prompted to choose your preferred resolution and frame rate, such as 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second, for the final video output. After exporting, you can directly share your creation to popular social media platforms or simply save it to your device for later viewing. It's that simple to showcase your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.